What you doing?
I'm harvesting potatoes.
What kind of potatoes?
Red potatoes and white potatoes.
Is it worth growing your own potatoes?
It's fun. They grow fast.
Did you grow them from putting just old potatoes that we had as regular food potatoes?
Somewhere, but mostly I got potatoes from the farmers co-op.
So you bought something that they call seed potatoes?
Yeah, they call them seed potatoes. They're not really seeds. They're just grass seed potatoes. Okay, here's where I pick them up.
There's where you put them on the ground. There's the sweet potatoes, which are not potatoes. And here's the part you want me to capture.
Get your camera right down in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty
There's
tiny.
there's a piece of the seed potato that they all grew off of. Well, yeah, they're tiny.
So the sum
That's
total
what-
of all those little round potatoes is about equal to the big seed potato that you put in.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, okay. That's you accept that?
It looks like about like a potato I would see at Whole Foods of the small type.
Okay.
But those really small ones, I don't think they sell those.
Okay, city girl.
So we're lucky to get them. How are we going to cook them?
Oh, I don't know. Probably just boil them.
How about put them in the air fryer?
Yeah, you could do that.
Nice. Okay.
How about that?
Pretty good.
Could have let them go a little longer, but I want to plant something else in here.
Oh yeah, what are you going to plant?
Probably lettuce, more romaine lettuce.
I just ate some of the little baby
How was it?
romaine that you made.
Did you like it?
It was very mild
Good.
and, tender,
Yeah.
like a baby.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think that's pretty good production for a small planter like this. Yeah, this would probably yield a
This is going to be a potato feast.
Mm-hmm.
Anything more you want to say about the potatoes?
No,
We've got
I
this
just wanted you
planter.
to experience the harvesting of.
And do you want everyone in the
New
world
potatoes.
to experience it through a YouTube video?
I think a lot of people have experienced it, but sure, you can put it on YouTube if you want.
Farm work.
Margaret, migrant farm worker, that's me.
What actual paid farm work have you done in your life?
Oh gosh.
Hmm?
Baled hay.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Picked fruit.
How much fruit did you pick for
Picked
pay?
vegetables. Bushels and bushels.
Can you reuse the seed potato?
Oh no. Those
That's
are
spent.
done. Those are spent.
Those are spent, and we're not eating them. And
Oh, make it a
no.
mess.
I just wanted to get a close-up of the final potatoes. That's what we got out of this whole planter full of potatoes.
Don't forget the ones I put on the table there.
Oh, and there are also some additional ones over here on the table. Now, isn't that lovely?